Hello. So in this 5 minute series, let's discuss now sociology and other social sciences. It's about the comparison between sociology, history, social, then psychology, sociology and political science, then social economics, sociology and anthropology. Okay. So some subjects like that. So let's discuss. Okay. Now sociology and economics. So you have to understand that when we discuss about this is sociology, right? So always keep it simple understanding for exam writing. Okay, always keep the social as umbrella framework. Social is a complete study of society. Economics is about study of production. Okay, market. Politics in conventional terms, study of state government. In simple terms, study of socially, study of everything. Okay, society. That means sociology, you it's like that you can simply keep it like this. Social is the umbrella framework. Okay, from answer writing I'm talking like, okay, I'm saying like this. Sociology is the study of all aspects of society. Now we try to bring some connections between social and economics, any subject. Okay, so it's like some simply like this. When you talk about a subject, sociology and the economics or psychology, political science subject, okay, sociology, then here it is then economics. So we take this subject, we try to bring some kind of this common point similarities. Okay, we'll discuss in detail in our lectures. So here you see what is, for example, when you take sociology and economics, how we can find some similarities. For it, if you take about this thing, feminist economics. Okay, basically then how women are able to, I mean, go to workplaces, the issue of equal pay for equal work, right? Discrimination in salary, discrimination in promotions in schools, then this one colleges head of the department promotions like that, then the salary they get, the kind of work they are able to do. So that economics is also connected to society patriarchy. Now when you talk about rural economy, agrarian economy, the kind of family system, joint family, nuclear family, then kind of belief system. Okay, it's purely an economic activity for business, or it is something connected with the religion. Okay, doing puja, praying, then doing agriculture, right? So like that. So social economics is connected. Then we have again tribes. If you find that tribes, okay, nomads, they move together, right? So this there is connection with that. Then you will find some differences also. Okay, how do they research, then kind of then statistical analysis in economics. Okay, some kind of differences also. Then we come to connect with some thinkers, okay, scholars, which we learn in our theory section. Okay, here it is Karl Marx, Max Weber. We'll do discuss in detail Durkheim, our own thinkers from our subject. Okay, then Adam Smith, father of economics, how they are connected. So we'll try to bring 2 or 3 names in our answer. Okay, but the point is that these answers are like maybe you can say conventional, or maybe these answers maybe you can say like till 1970s. Okay, so what we need is we need to 1970s. Okay, we need to bring a contemporary very updated example. So we say that now we also have, as I said, that's in the topic scope. Okay, we also have interdisciplinary programs. Interdisciplinary programs means, okay, now simply speaking, we have BA economic, BA sociology in colleges, or MA sociology. Okay, BA social, MA sociology, like that. Interdisciplinary programs means that you sociology will be taught, economics will be taught, political science will be taught. Okay, subjects like that in combination. So that is interdisciplinary program. One of the main famous courses in India is IIT Madras. Okay, interdisciplinary program in which is that MA in development studies. Okay, development studies. So development means what? It includes everything, right? Sociology, economics, politics, science, all those things. So if you complete that course, you'll get placement, or you get a better understanding about sociology. Then again you get some understanding about law, all those things. Okay, so interdisciplinary programs, you have connection with social and economics. Again, if you take political science, again interdisciplinary and IIT Madras. Okay, so what the point is that when you start answering, okay, you have to understand what is sociology, what is economics, difference between them, understanding the common similarities between them, this diagram. Okay, then this one, okay, similarities between them, and towards the end you have to this bring this thing interdisciplinary nature. Okay, IIT Madras MA development studies. Okay, we'll discuss in detail when we start our lectures. Okay, so IIT interdisciplinary and IIT Madras. So interdisciplinary nature means that different disciplines are taught. Okay, so it's not just about BA sociology. Here sociology will be taught with political science or other subjects. You will get a better understanding about these things. Okay, so you get, then we get practical understanding, you get placement also. So that way now you have more and more universities are coming up with interdisciplinary programs like development then studies in IIT Madras, then labor studies, informal studies. Okay, labor studies, this one in JNU. Then we have one public policy again in Rajasthan University, courses like that. Okay, so this way you can bring this. Okay, so define economics and define sociology, then similarities and differences. In between we'll put 2 3 thinkers. Okay, when we start answer writing, I will tell you. Okay, then in political science, so we will put 2-3 thinkers. Okay, then again we bring this interdisciplinary nature in the conclusion side. Okay, this way you can learn this. Okay, so this is about 5 minutes. Okay, so let's go to the next topic.